from Nigeria. I came to CFC 2 months ago, and I got into Chennai. I was picked by CFC driver and brought to CFC, and I met Abinaya that took me through some of the courses in embryology, and also the next day I met Dr. Krishna, and we had a wonderful time in embryology, where I was taught how to prepare sperm cells and also sperm counts and so many things in clinical embryology. Then after that, I was taken to OT, and also which I had hands-on in egg retrieval and also hands-on in transvaginal scanning and also hands-on in PETSA. I observed, during my period, I observed laparoscopic surgeries, cerclages also, and also observed embryo transfer during my stay in Chennai Fertility Center. I think it's one of the best places to be in. Thanks to Dr. Thomas for providing this opportunity for someone like me from Nigeria, and I would advise people to visit the center for training. Thank you very much.